Welcome back to the Fit Finance Sessions Advent Calendar. Today, we're going to be talking about shares. So that is the stock market, the equity market, the FTSE 100, the FTSE 250, the Dow Jones, and all those sort of things. Tom, what is a share?
A share is a piece of a company. So it's a share of that company, what it says on the tin. And if you are a shareholder, you are entitled to partake in the profits of that company. So say a company, let's pick BP, and it has 1,000 shares. It has more than that, but if you owned 100 of those shares, you'd be entitled to your percentage of the profits. And companies then choose to pay dividends. Sometimes they don't. Lots of tech companies won't pay a dividend, but the dividend is the distribution of the profits that the company makes. So say they have a very good year and the profit is X, they might choose to distribute 40% of those profits out to the shareholders and retain 60% for the business to grow. And that's where the shareholders get their return. They give up the capital to buy the shares, they receive dividends, which is their share of the profit. And you hope over time that the value of that company or the price of the share goes up.
Okay, it sounds like a pretty decent thing to be invested in. It can't all be plain sailing though, Tim. What can go wrong with owning a share?
It's certainly not plain sailing, unfortunately, because of course some companies do better than others. Some companies do well, some companies fold. I can't remember what the stats are, but I think it's the first 5 years, X amount of percentage, or a lot of percentage of companies will fail. But over the longer run, equities or shares in companies tend to do better. So there's that there's that natural tendency even of the price or the value of your money to go up and down quite a lot. So that's not necessarily a totally bad thing. It should be a proportion of your money, or if you're going to invest some money, then certainly put some of your money in these types of investments. But there needs to be some stabilizers on the bike, which no doubt will be in another episode.
God, without doubt. Fixed interest and bonds or property, maybe coming in tomorrow's episode of the Fit Finance Sessions. Until then, bye-bye.